nest in the sand, hidden within shore grasses, holds sandpiper eggs. The morning lark, the evening nightingale, both have beautiful songs, one to serenade awake, one a lullaby for sleep. The night owl soaring on the wing, a silent hunter with eyes keen, though not one to sing, still a marvel to be seen. In very green spring, the deer emerge once again, with fawns following. Needing sustenance until winter turns to spring, squirrels stockpile nuts. Gray birds hesitate to wake as the skies lighten from black to blue, mimicking our own desire to slumber on.